Ethiopia cancels its land expansion plans following protests. On January 13th, Ethiopia announced it will not expand the territory boundaries of the capital, Addis Ababa, following months of deadly protest. Anti-government activists said plans to expand territory control into the Oromo region would displace farmers. Human Rights Watch says security forces have killed 140 people protesting against the government in an ongoing land dispute. Yet, Ethiopian officials have only confirmed 5 people have died since protests began in November. A BBC correspondent, Alistair Leithhead, said protests in Ethiopia are rare. He said these demonstrations stem from political and economic conflicts dating back before the urban plans. Oromo is Ethiopia's largest region surrounding the capital, Addis Ababa. The ruling party in Oromo said it dropped the expansion plans after talking with local people. For Newsbeat Social, I'm Christelle Kumoy.